You might think you already know enough Windows shortcuts. Yes, the usual Alt-Tab for spreading windows or Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V for copy-paste. But today's not about those. Instead, I'm going to show you some mind-blowing Windows shortcuts you probably never knew existed, but trust me, you wish you had learned them sooner. Okay, let's dive right in. Windows D is useful when your screen is cluttered with a plethora of apps windows and you want to start with a fresh palette. To clear open windows instantly by pressing Windows D. If you want to delete them back, you can press it again. Next up, Windows Shift S. Need a quick screenshot? Press Windows Shift S to open the snipping tool and capture your screen instantly. For the next shortcut, Windows V. To open the clipboard histories, tired of copying and pasting one thing at a time, enable clipboard history and press Windows plus V to access everything you copy. Windows period. You need emojis, symbols, or special characters. Press Windows plus period to open the emoji panel and add some flares to your message. Windows Tab. 2 minutes multiple desktops with S. Windows plus tabs opens tabs views and letting you switch between desktop effortlessly. Windows 8. Too lazy to type? Windows plus 8 activates voice typing anywhere you can enter text. Give it a try. The next shortcut, Ctrl Shift Escape. It's very easy to open the task managers. Needs to kill a fraction programs. Press Ctrl Shift Escape. Open task manager in a second. Windows G. Gamers rejoice. Press Windows plus G to access the Xbox Game Pass for performance monitoring and screen recording. Windows Else is next. Stepping away from your computer, press Windows Else to instantly lock your screen for security. Windows Eyes. Want quick access to your settings? Windows Eyes open the settings panel instantly. The next shortcut, Windows Key. Just press the Windows key to pop open the Start menu, simple and effective. Windows Ease. Press Windows Ease takes you straight to File Explorer, helping you manage file faster. Windows 8. Need to toggle Wi-Fi wavelength or brightness? Press Windows 8 bring up your quick setting. Windows K. Need to cache your screen wirelessly? Press Windows K to connect to a display. And that's your wrap on our top Windows 11 keyboard shortcuts. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.